Welcome back to part 3 of this C119 aircraft modeling. So in the last video, which was part 2B, I show how to create the fuselage by shaping the form which has been provided by the canvas. So now we need to do I'm planning to do the wings in the same way. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna trace this one, which is the root, and then I'm gonna trace this one, this four here, which is they're gonna be placed in this position. I haven't planned how to do those yet, so it's mainly a trial and error, especially because this aircraft has got these funny angles there, so I am not sure how to intersect yet these two parts, this part and this part here. Yeah, that could be challenging unless I do two separate sections and then I connect it to the halfway of the engine fuselage. Right, let's start by actually, this is the first fuselage I have done on video tools, which I'm gonna remove it alongside the main fuselage because I am going to use the fuselage I have created in the video video 2 part B, because they are slightly, I like them more, let's say that. So let's turn those off, and let's turn this side short off as well for the time being. And what we're going to do, we're going to create a sketch on this plane, and we are going to do the middle line, which I'm not gonna have it a horizontal. I kind of it says 180, 170, 80 degrees. Let me see if we can make a standard. No, that would be the 170 as my 175. Oh, it's too much. I think we'll go by eyes here. Have I got the middle lane here? I have actually, and then it's quite low, so I probably do the same. So from here I'm do the same, although it doesn't look right, to be honest, how it looks like here. Yeah, no, it's not right. I mean, delete that. I think there is a bit of an angle for that. So let's go there. I would say that, and now we can do the spline. Looks pretty good at that. And then we kind of do the same there. Let's have a look. Kind of there. Oh, I misclicked that one. Let's give it there, and here we close that way. Yeah, let's do that. And from here I wanted to put those roughly there, so I want to do another sketch, and I want to see if I can find a middle line here. To divide there's not really a middle line, isn't it? So let's have a look if I get that. Let's keep it there, just for now. And what I'm going to do, I am going to intersect this. I don't intersect the back, and I am going to cut that. No, I want to intersect the back as well, just in case, so I want to have that, and I think I can delete those. Now what I can do, I can finish the sketch, and I can move that. We set the pivot point to the middle, and I am moving that one around, and think it was 0.5 if I remember. Not really. So probably is, or was the 0.5 probably the other way? Possibly was on this way, yeah. So got that one there. I want to see this. Do I want which side I want to see? Sorry. So this is the side. Yeah, I want to see the front. I want to see the front Do I want to see the front? Because I want to tilt that one over. I want to see the... See if I can get confused here. Let's try the front, and I turn this 190 degrees, and let me see how that works. Yeah, I think I got confused. Yeah, so from the front, I wanted to put this one back as 0. Let me put this one that way. And what I want to turn this one this way. Here we go. And then I want 90 degrees there. Yeah, that's right. Okay. And then now what I wanted to do is... That's a little bit too much. I wanted that, to be honest. And now I do pointer to point. So I want this pointer going to that point. And then I've got the right there. Okay. And now I can do a bit of... right, that way. And press OK. And I should have that roughly in the same place. Right top. Okay. So I using which sketch? That sketch. Move. Object. Right. No, it's not that one. Right. Select all. Got that one there. And now we can... no. That. Okay. Now I can put that one up there. Okay. And now I should be in the right direction for that. Let's see if that works. Okay. What else I have here? So that's the root. That's the root. That's the baseline. Okay, that's the baseline. So what I can do, I need to edit this sketch, and I need to go right like this. I need to go like this. And I need to go like this. Like this. Like this, more that. And then we have in that one there. Let me trim all these. And what I may do, let's have a look where we are here. I can put that one in the middle there. for that. Then if I want to actually let me cut that one for now. I may come back later because I may don't do this here. I just sweep this one from here to there. So let me try that. Let me try that. It may or may not work. So if I go to surface and then we do a sweep, I believe, and I use I'm going to close. Why I cannot get a close cancel? So let me. I can get a close here. I can get a close there. So why I cannot get? Because probably these two, they are not intersecting. Yeah, they are not touching. They are not touching because I haven't. So that is that sketch there. I can remove that one. So we're removing that, and the sketch I want now is a new sketch actually on that plane. I need to project actually that point, that line, and I want to project this point as well. Okay, go back to the right. Let's see if I undo that and I do this up to there. This up to there, and we're gonna make a middle line here, and I think that, and then if I click on that one, yeah. So now I can get that one, push in the middle, and cut, and cut. And we should be finished that. Now I can put back the root and I can do the sweep. We can do the sweep, and then it's that profile with, oh, why doesn't, why doesn't get it now? We are close. We are not close there. We are not close there. So which, so I didn't do the right one here. No, I didn't do the right one. So if I take that one back, okay, let's start again. Sketch on this plane. and I'm going, oh, it's because, yeah, it won't, because that is not in the right position, the root itself. The root itself is not in the right position. Finish the sketch. I think I need to restart. Let's go back here. If I go there, right, what I'm going to do, I am going to do the center line here like I did earlier. I know it's not perpendicular to the aircraft, but let's make as center as possible there. And then what I'm going to do from here to there, and then from there to there, and click that, click that, click that. I don't think I have I don't think I have the foil. I do have the root and I got the tip, but it looks like it's the same as, is it the same of the B29? No, that's different. Wonder if I should use that for the root. Right, let's try to do that for the root. Let me take these two off for now and we try that way. So the length of the root is from here to there is 273, 667. Okay, we close it and then we go to utilities, add-on, a foil, run, and the construction plane is actually this one. We're gonna do 273, 667, click OK, and we're using the root. Perfect. And from here, what we're gonna do, we're going to edit the sketch, and I am going to elongate a little bit there. Finish the sketch. Yeah, it does actually look similar to the root there, so I want to try actually. And then we move, we set the point there, and now just for out of curiosity, yeah, it's no quite the same, but let's try it. Put about there, turn about 90 degrees down, and then I want to sit that one there. And I believe it's that one. It goes to 90. Goes to 90, and then we get point to point. Point to point, which one? If I put that one back, it's not that, it's that one. Point to point, I am going to use that point. And I'm going to use that point, and we are pretty much good there. And I click OK. Now ideally I should be connected these two, but what I can do, I can actually remove that and edit the sketch. Edit the sketch, and I am putting a middle line. It won't work. Will it work with the 3D? No, it won't work with the 3D either. So let's finish the sketch there. So if I now do a new sketch, still there, projecting that and that, and then from here I am going down there. From here we go there, and then I do one in the middle here, and then and then I get a trim there, and then I finish the sketch, put back the knacker, and see if I can do a sweep. Selecting that profile, selecting that path, and selecting this rail. Okay, that comes in full extent, looks okay, and I click OK. And then if I go from here, seems good. Now ideally I need to put that one down here where I've got the let me try this one. So select that, I'm gonna move, select the body. I can put the pivot point anywhere, to be honest. and click there, and then I move. Oh no, 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 I don't want that one. Move body, select the body, and we move that one there, and we're moving that one like this as a 90 degrees. Then I'm moving this one like that as a 90 degrees, and I'm moving this one roughly in position where I want to put, like so. And if I look from here, we're coming down, say there, and also let's have a look. Can I put the, no, prefer, oh no, 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 oh why, silly me, silly me. So select that, move, and push it down, pushing 90 degrees that way, and pushing 90 degrees that way. That's okay. Then we putting this one there, and it looks pretty much okay. Let me see from the so just need to stay roughly there. Okay, let me see if I can actually extend. If that's too much, can we extend? I can extend that one. So if I move now from the front, pivot anywhere, and we're just moving this one across. And that is okay, I think. Looks good from here and looks good from here. So what I need to do now is, what I want to do is split. I want to split split face. That's this place to split. The tool is actually that one. Click OK, and now I have, let me check the canvas off. I have that. Which one is that? Okay. Right. So now is perpendicular. Now what I want to do, I want to construct a plane on that one and actually move right in the middle here, or at least in the middle as much as I can. Where is it? I can't see much from here. So I need to rely on the front and we have there, say, oh, let's do 220. Okay, and modify split face. That's the face to split, and that is the tool. Take this one off, and now we can delete that piece. And so look, canvas back on, and it seems pretty good. Seems pretty good. Because what I can do afterwards, I can actually use this as a tool to split this section, so should be okay. Now from here, what I can do, let's have a look. What we got, 36 minutes of videos. Just wondering if I want to do the other parts of the wing or not. What do we have? We have the number 1 there, 2, 3 and 4. So we go, number 2 goes here. Number 4, definitely number 2 is there, but the number 2 is not as good there. So I'm thinking if yes, what I'm gonna do on the next video, I'm gonna create a construction plane here, and I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3 and 4 on that plane, and I extrude them on that way. I think that is the best way to do it. Instead then going by eye. No, what I can do is actually we're doing now in a different way. So what sketch we got there? I can keep that one off, and create another sketch on that plane. Let me hide. Okay, they're already hidden. Sketch on this plane. So I am going to actually put the sketch back on, and I'm going to project actually, and I'm going to project that one. I'm going to project that one. I'm going to project that, and I'm going to project that one. Okay, just in case, let me have a look. So if I do now, I can hide that one. If I can go that way. And then I can go that way. And then we do this. We do this. We do this. And we do this. And here I want to trim all these. And I finish the sketch. See if that works. Yeah, we got a dot, and a dot. For simplicity, what we're gonna do, we are going to what do we say? Trim that, trim that, trim, trim, trim. We're using this one as a rail, and see how it goes. Right, so I'm gonna use the number one. So another sketch on the same plane, and now we have the middle line, so I can go to that, and then we can do, I think it's a little bit, so if I go there and there, and then with the spline, and with the spline we go there, and if I pull this one down like this, I need to adjust this one. That, I think that's okay. That's okay. Oh, what's happened there? Right, there. And I finished the sketch. Now I want to move this one right down. I can do a point to point. Point to point. Okay. Then I can hide that sketch, reselecting that one. And what I am gonna do, I am going to move, select the pivot once more, and we're going to move this one -90, and then we move this 190. Now I should have, yeah, right there. And I click OK. I don't probably need like that. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create another sketch, and I am going to do that one. Oh, come on. Ch- 179.8, 0.7, 0.6, let's do 5. Press OK. Press OK, and now we do the spline there, and then we do the spline down here. Okay, let's see, this one needs to be more flattish, probably like this, and this a little bit more rounded there, maybe like this. Do I need to do this? Oh, no, not tangent, no, that one. Go back. Oh, okay. Let's have a look. Okay, maybe it's going to be like this. Don't really like it, so I am going to delete that. I'm going to delete that. Let's have a look if I can do with the control spine, if it's come better. And here I would probably go to the end there, and here I am going to do roughly the same. And we do like this. Can we make like this? I like a little bit more like this. Yes, yeah, slightly better shape. We may push that one up a bit, and we got that. Okay, let's click finish the sketch there. Oh no, not finish the sketch. I need to trim that. Okay, let me take that one off. Finish. So now we move in it, and we select again the pivot point, which is that one. Press OK, and actually we do point to point, which is that to that, back to the selection of the pivot, which is that, confirm, and 90 degrees, and I think we turn it this way, 90 degrees, and from the top looks okay. So now if I do a loft, I think I loft that to that, and then we loft that one. Okay, cancel. Let's do loft that to that. Okay, let me put back those two. Which one they were? That's the body. It's not the one. That. Where's the other one? Huh? What's happened? Z, Z, Z. Right. Okay. Let me go back to the right section here. So I've got that and that. So that is number 4. That is number 1. Edit the sketch. Don't need that. Finish. Right. So if I do once more loft there to loft there, it's okay. Why is chucking away the number 4? So going back there, putting that, so create a loft 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, I think I was clicking somewhere else then, and that seems okay. And now I've got that one there. Now what I need to do, I need to move that in position. So I have that to move down. Let's have a look. I think it was 90. Then from there was another 90, and then let's have a look. Oh yeah, it's longer because it's from there. I need to cut it afterwards. So that's roughly okay there. And I need to push that one down, and we need to pull that one down a bit. Let's have a look. too much. Okay, seems feasible. That is good. I am actually pushing that one out more. And I press OK. Then what I am going to do is modify split face. Face to split is that one, and the plane is that one, and select that, press OK. I can take everything else off, and let me take the canvas off for now, and I can select these two and delete. Perfect, that is good. Then I need number 4 back. Canvas, why I cannot see number 4? Oh yeah, I guess number 4 is up there. So what I need to do is to create construction plane on that one and pull this one. I think we are nice there. Yep. Yeah, okay. And then we have a body to split. Selection the tool and cut. And now what we have that and that, and we delete. And now if I put all the bodies from the front, let me take the canvas is off, the origin point off, and we have the, let me put the front, so the front is okay. The side doesn't match too much, but that's what it is. But from the top also is looking good, and I think here we have a nice intersection. So I think we have achieved what we wanted. Let's name these things. I don't know how they're called. Engine cover, I would say. I don't know. Let me know if you know what's the name. In wing and outer wing. Okay, at least we have a bit of structure there. Right, let's put it back there. Let's save it. And for this video, it's enough because we are reaching 1 hour. So I think it's good to stop the recording here, and thank you very much for watching. Any comment, suggestion, please leave in the comment below. This is my first aircraft on this kind of shapes, so you have to model in quite a bit. So if you have tips to improve the look of it, please, as I said, leave in the comment. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.